Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part B of this Draw Something Cool. While that video was loading, I duplicated a bunch of lines and they're just 5 degrees apart. I don't have to weld them together or anything because I can select them all. And we're going to hit the F12 keyboard on the keyboard. And if we look, and I can take this shape now, and this is what's happening. It's making those lines at that angle thinner. We can change it and have it the other way. So you can do a lot with this. I mean, you could, and I'm sure there's some stretching and angles that you could, instead of doing it like I'm doing it, you could do it like that. I mean, look, we almost took away that line. It's not even hardly there. That's pretty cool. Now, these are all lines, so we're going to say okay. And let's convert these lines to a object now. And let's weld them together. Now let's see what happens when we get the interactive fill tool on them. And you could play around with the colors of these lines that are, it's going to be hard to, really see unless you had it backed up, but you could, we could take it down here where the thinner lines are, and I don't know, just playing around, it gives it a neat effect. Those lines are still there, they're just super, super light in color. Anyway, just hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.